Hey everyone, so here's a question on triangles. The question here is AD is a median of a triangle ABC. Prove that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than twice of AD. This is an important question, it's a hot question. So let's see how to solve this. So here I have a triangle ABC and we have to prove this AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AD. So we're going to use some property of triangle. So we have given as ABC is a triangle and AD is a median. Median means it's going to divide the base into two equal parts. So you can see that BD and DC will be equal because we have given AD is a median. So let me write down here. Since AD is a median, which implies BD is equal to DC. Now, to prove this, I'm going to take a two triangle. First, I'm going to consider triangle A, B and D, ABD. In that triangle, I'm going to apply a property of triangle. So, in triangle ABD, AB plus BD will be greater than AD. Now, what is this? This is a property of a triangle which says that sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. You can add any two sides of triangle, that will be always greater than the third side. Yes. So on basis of that, we have written AB plus BD is greater than AD. Okay, I have taken this way because I want to prove it is greater than AD. That's why. Same thing I'm going to apply for the second triangle also, that is in triangle ADC. I'm going to apply the same property. So here in triangle ADC, AC plus DC is greater than AD. Okay. Again, we have taken greater than AD because we have to prove it is greater than twice of AD. That is why. So I've taken equation 1 and 2. Now I'm going to add them. I'm going to add the equation 1 and equation 2. So when you're adding this, you have to add the left hand side. Whatever things we have on left hand side, you add them. And the things we have on the right hand side, I'm going to add them. So left hand side, I have a AB plus BD. And on second equation, I have a AC plus DC. So let me write down that. So AB plus BD plus AC plus DC. So for both the equations, left hand side I have written. And the greater than sign on right hand side, we will get AD plus AD. Like for both the equations we have our AD, that's why we got AD plus AD. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring this BD and DC in a bracket. I'll tell you what is the reason behind it. So let me rewrite this. So AB plus in a bracket, I'm going to write down BD plus DC. I'm going to put this in a bracket plus AC is greater than AD plus AD. We're going to give you 2 into AD or 2AD. Now, why I have kept BD and DC in a bracket is, if you look at the figure here in the triangle ABC, if you look at the base BD and if you look at the DC, if you add them together, you get BC, that is the entire base of the triangle. So in place of BD plus DC, I'm going to write down BC there. So AB plus BC plus the third side, which is AC, or you can write down CA, anything is greater than twice of AD. That's it. So it was quite simple problem. We have proved it. So I hope it's clear. In the given question, they have given CA, or we can write down AC. Anything will be same. So hence it is proved. I hope it's clear. So you have to apply only one property, that is sum of two sides of triangle is greater than third side. I hope it's clear. In case you have any questions or doubts, you can drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.